Hey guys, it's Daniel Mount from Tury. Today we're going to do a step-by-step workshop to show you how Tury works. So step one, you're going to head over to the website, put in the year, make, and model, and then you're going to find out which harness is going to work for your vehicle. From there, you're going to grab your harness, grab your module, head over to the vehicle. From here, you're going to disconnect the battery. And then after that, you will disconnect the throttle pedal, T-harness the Tury piece in, connect the battery post, and start the install process on your phone. So now that you have your Tury device installed, you will open your app and then select your device. Your first screen up will be this here, and this will take you into pedal programming. So you'll go yes, hit start, and now you're going to hold the throttle to 100%. The pedal has now been programmed. Pedal settings. With this, we have city, tour, sport, and fast. Each of these you can click and drag each sensitivity where you need that. In this screen, we also have our eco mode. With our eco mode, you can dial in how eco-friendly you want your throttle to respond. With this, we have our valet mode, or known as parking mode also. So if we select park mode, we can drag this in to how much throttle you want to give the person who is going to use your vehicle, all the way from 50 to 15%. So our next feature is going to be high idle. For this, you will tap the three bars at the top of the screen, go into pedal settings, high idle mode, and then we are going to tap on where it says disable to start it. We are going to put the throttle where we want it and hit start. Now your throttle will hold at the same place that you selected. So now we're going to go into the auto lock settings. To do that, you will hit the three bars at the top again, go into auto lock, and it'll show you Magic Key, smartphone, GPS tracker. From here, we'll show you how to set up the Magic Key. So if we tap on Magic Key, we can go into where it has the plus, and we can add the code on the back of the Magic Key. From here, we will be able to set up our activation time, meaning when the Magic Key leaves the vehicle, how many minutes until your throttle is locked out. At that, underneath there, you'll see lock type. From there, we can select partial or full. Partial lock will lock the throttle down in a series of steps, decreasing it 10% at a time. Full lockout is going to be a complete lockout as soon as activation time is hit. Rescue time is once the activation time has been hit, your throttle's been locked out. Down here, we show 30 minutes. That means after 30 minutes, the throttle will be unlocked for the police or tow truck driver to move the vehicle. Now we will talk about smartphone and auto lock. If we go into auto lock to smartphone, we can now enable auto lock. What this is going to do is once your phone leaves that vehicle, it is going to lock the throttle out immediately. Again, we have rescue time set up as 30 minutes to recover the vehicle. Next, we are going to have GPS tracker in auto lock. We'll hit our three bars at the top, auto lock, GPS tracker. From here, we can set up a number of different inputs to the Tury device. With this, we will be able to use a negative or a positive trigger. We can do a single pulse, double pulse, latching, anything. Again, we can do partial or full lockout. And deactivation by app means When the GPS has been triggered to lock your throttle out, if deactivation by app is enabled, then when your phone gets in your vehicle and you open the app, your throttle will unlock. So there you have it, guys, the step-by-step process on installation, setup, and how to use. If you have any questions, head over to the website and feel free to reach out to us.